guys, welcome back to the channel. Mark Spider Guy here. Today's video is going to be a rehousing of my OBT. It's only a small one, it's in this little container here, but he's a little bugger for escaping. So I want to move him into something that's a little bit bigger, maybe too big, but it will make it his home. I think that's my OBT in there. I've got no label on it, to be honest. But what we're going to do, we've already put substrate in, which is a mixture of topsoil and moss peat. So, you know, we've done it quite deep so he can bury if he wants to. I have got a couple of things. I'm not going to put a cork bark hide in, but I am going to put some driftwood. So I'm going to move this camera down now so you can see what's going on. Hopefully you'll be able to tell what's going on, but if we put it about there, hopefully you should see everything that's going to go in there. Now the first thing I'm going to do, something different, is I'm going to put the leaf litter in first. So I'm going to scrunch that up, put that in, just so I can give it all a good covering, and he'll make it home anyway. They always do. They do it how they want to do it. So, you know, that's all good. Put that lid back on for a bit. Now, this is leaf litter that I got off there some time ago. She's really good for leaf litter and moss. So, if, you know, Leah of Unusual Pets, get in touch with that. And she can supply you with loads of stuff, not just moss. Sorry guys about the noise. It's me opening a new piece of driftwood up that I want to put in. See, I'm just gonna, I'll try that down there a minute. I'm not gonna put a hide in. I'm just going to put pieces of driftwood in so it can make it home itself. So we're going to put that first one there, dig it in a bit so it don't fall. Put that one in there so we can dig that one down. As long as I make sure to put the lid on without getting it in the driftwood. Put that one there. No, we won't put that one there. We'll put that one there. So, gotta make sure we leave room for its water bowl, which I will put there. Now I need to sort the lid out to make sure that the lid's going to close. Last thing I want to do is set all this up, come to put the lid on and it don't shut. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to slide that in. Now that one's a bit high, so there we go. Right, so that's that one. I'll smooth that back a bit. There you go. Now I am going to put that one upright, just there, like that, dig it in. And also I'm going to put that one upright as well. Just lean that against the side. If it'll stay up, I don't think it will, but there you go. And then just put that one across there, so it goes in between. Right, next thing I'm going to do is put its water in. Now I'm hoping it webs up really well in here. But the thing is, getting the little bugger out without him doing the runner. That's even if it is the OBT. I can't guarantee it is him. I'm just guessing at his point. Oh, found. Whoever it is, I've found him. It's not, I don't think it is the OBT, but it is. Now, I know he's in this cork bark, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the cork bark there, just for a minute. Right, put that down there, because that's for emptying. Now, it does web up. You know, boys, I don't even know what spiders in are. But no doubt we will find out. And there he is, he's out. So, oh, he's not that small. So it's not my OBT after all. But he's in, so I don't think you guys can see him. He's coming round the side anyway. So hopefully I'll make it his home, web it up. And that's that one done. Now, I don't think there is a label on that, to be honest. No label on it. But that's that one done. So, sorry it was only a quick rehousing, guys, but it didn't give me as much trouble as I thought it was going to give me. So that was a bonus. Yeah, we'll see what he does with that, with all that driftwood in, and see if he webs it up and that. It makes a change putting driftwood in rather than cork bark. So I'm going to leave that one at that. And that was just too easy. But there you go, it happens. Sometimes you get your ones that are a piece of cake like that one. Sometimes you get some that are just nightmare. But yeah, so that's it, guys. If you did like it, give her a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ding-a-ling the bell. And please do subscribe. It does help the channel. You know, like it, share it, post it, whatever. And I'll speak to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.